Hi students, this is Wokumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.3. Now problem number 9. In a race, 20 balls are placed in a line at intervals of 4 meters with the first ball 24 meters away from the starting point. A contestant is required to bring the balls back to the starting place one at a time. How far would the contestant run to bring back all balls? So we have 20 balls. I consider them as B1, B2, B3 up to B20. Here the distance between the two balls, that is equal to 4 meters. Every two balls a distance 4 meters. The first ball is 24 meters away from the starting point. Here I consider the starting point. Yes, refers starting point. The distance between the starting point and first ball equals 24 meters. So what is given? A contestant is required to bring the balls back to the starting place one at a time. A contestant starts from here. For picking the first ball, he has to travel 24, then he has to come back to the starting point. So 24 plus 24 on 48 meter for bringing back that ball 1. So the question is, how long would that contestant run to bring all the ball? How far? So the total distance covered by the contestant to bring back all 20 balls. Total distance covered by the contestant to bring back all the 20 balls, that is equal to, here start from here 24, then he has to come back to that starting point. So 24 plus 24, 2 times 24 plus. Now from the starting point he has to take that ball number 2. So he has to travel 24 plus 4, 28. Then he has to come back to the starting point another 28. So 2 times 28. 2 times 28 plus. Now from the starting point he has to pick the third ball. For taking the third ball he has to travel 24 plus 4 plus 4, that is 32 meters. Then he has to come back to the starting point. So another 32 meters. So 2 times 32 meters. It is going on. How many times? 20 times, because we have 20 balls to be picked. Now I take the 2 as common. If we take 2 as common, I will be getting 24 plus 28 plus 32. How many times? 20 times. 2 into. It is an AP because it is uniformly increased. Look at that. There's a difference between second term and first term, that is equal to the difference between third term and second term. Here A, that is equal to 24. It is an AP, arithmetic progression. And D, that is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 28 minus 24. That is equal to 4. N, that is equal to 20 times. Now we can substitute in the formula. Here it is. Sn, that is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, n that is equal to 20. 20 by 2 into 2a, a value is 24, plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1 into d, d that is equal to 4. 2 to get cancelled, that is equal to 20 into 2 into A, that is 48, plus 20 minus 1, that is equal to 19 into 4. That is equal to 20. 48 plus 19 into 4, that is equal to 76, equals 20 into, if we add 8 plus 6, 14, balance 1, 8 plus 4, 12. 124 into 20, that is equal to 2 4s are 8, before that 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2480 meters, the unit is meter. So 2480 meters to be travelled by the contestant to bring back all the 20 balls to the starting point. So problem number 9 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 10 in the next video. Thank you, children.